Want 76% of your members to take action on your next impact report campaign. One brand did it using only a spreadsheet and personalized videos. Over 100 members shared their videos within hours, not weeks, hours. Let's talk about how they did it and how you can too. Because stats alone don't make people care. Stories do. I'm Josías De La Espada, CEO at Pirsonal. For over a decade, I've helped brands in industries like SaaS, finances, sustainability, and more turn complex data into emotional, personalized video experiences that drive real action. This video is for marketing leaders who want more than vanity metrics. If you are exploring personalized video marketing, CRM-triggered campaigns, or ways to turn engagement into loyalty, this is worth your time. Ready to see what happened? Here's what this brand was facing. They had great yearly results, but the PDF report they sent, it wasn't getting opened. Members weren't engaging. Not many people were sharing it. That meant fewer renewal conversations, less advocacy, and a missed opportunity to prove value. If you've been there, you are not alone. So what did they do differently? This wasn't a big budget production or campaign. It was smart use of the data they already had. Here's what they did and what your team can do too. They started with their existing spreadsheet, basic member data. That's it. They turned it into 1,181 personalized impact report videos, each showing what that member contributed. They designed their base video in Canva. This alone, by the way, saved them loads of time. Then, my team at Pirsonal built a dynamic on-brand personalized video template and automated everything. We layered on personalized landing pages in video calls to action that were also personalized and engagement tracking. All this is automatically done by the Pirsonal platform, our personalized video software at scale. No new tools, no code, no IT bottlenecks. They found a more effective way to drive audience engagement. Ready to know what happened next? Here's what happened. 64% of members watched their personalized video. 76% of those clicked to download or take action. And the sales team had real-time visibility to follow up based on who engaged. That's what makes this a high-performing personalized video campaign. And you can do this too. But why did it work? People don't share stats. They don't care about stats. They share and care about stories. Video speaks to the heart. Personalization makes it feel real. That's what makes people hit download or share. When someone sees their name, their impact, their story, it doesn't feel like a campaign. It feels like recognition. And that alone drives loyalty and renewals. So how can your team get started? If you have member data, even just names, segments, or regions, and a clear goal, you are ready. Start with one group, one message, one useful video. Obviously, everything needs to be contextualized, personalized. Use video personalization software like Pirsonal and add personalized landing pages and leverage in video personalized calls to action. Remember, the Pirsonal platform takes care of all these videos, landing pages, and video interactions at scale on your behalf, so you don't have to worry about this. And the best thing, my team can take care of all these for you, and this in the end saves you loads of time and helps you focus on other important aspects of the campaign. This is a member engagement strategy you can launch fast, without extra headcount. Whether you call it personalized video marketing, CRM-triggered video, or automated member engagement with video, what matters is making every viewer feel seen, understood, adapting to their context so that your message lands and your impact report campaign has, well, great impact. So remember, you don't need more tools. You need to make it personal based on their context. If this is something you are exploring for Q4, renewals or retention, let's talk. We'll show you how to turn your existing data into high-impact, share-worthy experience. Visit personal.com/contact to reach out to me or to anyone from my team, because impact is only powerful if your audience feels it. This is how you turn your impact report into your best performing campaign of the year. And if you want to nail personalized video marketing from day one, make sure to watch this video, where I explain the 3 biggest mistakes you want to avoid also from day one. Knowing these will help you launch a stronger campaign. I'm Josías De La Espada, here to help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more expert content about personalized video marketing. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.